Hey y'all, my name is Tanya. Welcome back to my channel from her workshop. So I have a random orbital sander, and come to find out, the hook and loop pads will not stick any longer. So what we're going to do today is repair that, because we all know that there's nothing more frustrating than trying to finish up a job and your tool is not exactly cooperating. So let's see if we can fix that today. Now y'all, how many times does this happen to y'all? Come on now. What is going on here? Okay, let's make sure we got it lined up correctly. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's get started. What? No. Okay, well, I got to get this done. Let's see if this will work. Seems like this is not working that well. I think I know what the problem is. What we have here is what's called a hook and loop system. And then on the back of your pads, you have a material that will stick to that. They go together and they should stick together, but now it's not working. And what it is over time, these have become worn out and broken and split off, and they no longer will grab hold to that like they need to. So what we're gonna do is clean up this surface, put another hook and loop pad on it, then we should be good to go. A hook and loop replacement and conversion kit. So what this is gonna do is replace this. I do like to read the directions, and this is what they say. What we're going to use is another sanding pad, and we're going to sand this down and then apply the new one. So let's get started with that. So this kit comes with a sanding pad, 2 hook and loop replacements, E6000, and that's going to help this adhere to the bottom of this. So the first step is secure your sanding pad. Make sure you have on your safety glasses and your dust mask. And we're just gonna wear this down. That other method wasn't quite working out for me. So what I'm gonna do is bring it over here and try it out. Our next step, after getting that all smoothed off, is to take the new pad and apply it here with this adhesive. Make sure we line up our holes as best we can. Firm pressure. Say wait 24 hours, and that is what we're going to do. All right, let's take this off here. See what we got. Can y'all see that brand new pad? All right, let's test it, y'all. Let's line them up. Oh goodness, this is working too well. Let me get it lined up here. Okay. Now y'all see how easy that was? And it says to trim that off. I don't need to because it fits it perfectly. Success. Aren't you proud of yourselves? We made a nice repair to one of our most hardest working tools in the shop. And now we can get back to our work. Thank y'all for watching. And if you like what you see here, please think about subscribing to the channel. Thanks once again for watching.